Hello everyone, today's the day that I'm going to give it a try and see if I can recreate the opening sequence of the Curry Kitten FPV Simulator where he flies his drone and smashes through a bunch of white cubes. I just happen to have a bunch of styrofoam coolers that are very similar to the Curry Kitten setup, and I'm going to try to lay them out here at the edge of my driveway and smash through them with my drones. I'm going to start with the Cinewhoop because that was suggested in the comments of my previous video, and then I'm going to move on and try the 5-inch if it works. And the wind is starting to pick up, so I'm not quite sure if this is going to work out today or not, but let's get going and see how it goes. All right, these are not all the exact same size, so I'm gonna have to figure out the best way to stack these up so I can get as many in a pile as I possibly can. All right, so I'm gonna have to give up for today. I tried, and every time I set it up, there's just enough of a wind gust that comes by and knocks them over, even if I've tried curving them, putting some weights in them. Unless I get out a whole bunch of tape and tape them all together, it's not gonna happen today. I'm gonna have to wait for a day where it is really calm out. All right, I'll try it again later.